Hello, this is Dr. Dan. APA-style formatting of in-text citations can be challenging. The following will address some of the basic styles. The first example is one work by one author. The first option is called parenthetical formatting, in which the author's last name and year of the publication is provided at the end of the sentence within parentheses. In the second option, the author's last name is used within the context of the sentence, and simply the year of the publication is provided within parentheses. Both options are acceptable in APA style, however the second option is often preferred by publishers. In the second example, we have one work by two authors. Again, the first option is parenthetical formatting, in which the author's last names are within parentheses with the year of the publication, with the addition of the ampersand or and sign is used to combine the author's last names. In the second example, the author's last names are used within the context of the sentence, and the word and combines the author's last names. In the final example, we have one work by three authors. Again, the author's last names are provided within parentheses using parenthetical formatting. However, in this option, you will also see the addition of commas to separate the author's last names, and again the ampersand sign binding the last names and the year of the publication. In the second example, you have the author's last names again used within the context of the sentence, with commas separating the author's last names and the word and combining the last names. What we have not addressed here is how to cite using subsequent citations in text, how to cite when we have more than three authors, and how to cite when we have different authors, different publications, and so on within a paragraph. For more information, you can go to Table 6.1, Basic Citation Styles, on page 177 of your APA manual to review the table that provides many different options and what to do in different scenarios.